Do you have a leaky faucet, a clogged toilet, an underground leak, or another plumbing problem in your home? Are your water bills higher than expected? Don't let your home, furniture, and other belongings be damaged by a plumbing issue. It doesn't take long for an undetected small water leak to turn into a major problem. You need professional plumbing contractors who have the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to provide you with complete installation or repair services. That's why we're here to help. Our highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced team of technicians are proud to offer complete services for all plumbing-related problems. From installation to repair and replacement, we tackle every project with care to get your plumbing running smoothly from the first visit. You'll be glad to know that not only do we use top-quality materials and work efficiently, but our pricing is very affordable. Contact us today for a no-obligation estimate